Hello, I'm Dewsnap. I'm a Senior Operations Manager for Alliance Automotive here in Rotherham. So I'm the inbound manager for the facility. Olly from 4KS has been helping us out with his training needs with VNAs that we really needed some people to come through the door. And the way we've gone about that is by contacting 4KS and Olly coming on site and helping us achieve our targets. So we needed 20 people to come on site to fill our trucks up, to get it operational, to keep us going, and Olly's stood the test of time and delivered that for us.
Hello, my name is Olly. I've just finished my 5-day course on VNA with 4KS Training. It's been really good. My instructor Olly has been really informative, gives good information out. We've had a fantastic time, everything's been really chilled. Yeah, if you want to do it, I'd fully recommend 4KS for either your VNA, restructure or counterbalance training. Yeah, don't delay, call 4KS. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Richard England and I've just completed my VNA training. I did drive a VNA, but it's 30 odd years ago. My trainer Olly had good fun, brilliant trainer, very attentive, professional, had a thoroughly good time, all 5 days, great experience. So I thoroughly recommend 4KS if you need training.
Hi, my name's Gregg. I'm here learning for the first time how to drive a VNA. Olly, my instructor, has been amazing, professional, very informative, also fun at the same time. It's been an excellent course, enjoyed every minute. If anybody's needing any fork truck licences, I definitely recommend going to 4KS to get all your licences.
Olly's a fantastic member of the training team. We treat him as one of our team now, and long may the relationship continue. But Olly's gone above and beyond being fair, but also being critical on people when they needed it, and he's done what he needed to do. So yeah, great addition.